कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
We had to have makeshift education programs over there. What I'm saying is, this is not fair. That on one hand, you are ready to provide everything for defense of a country or countries. That is perfectly okay. But when it comes to the question of saving thousands and thousands of people from dying, then you have to borrow money at a very high cost. Then you have to go and beg and borrow and further deteriorate your already very precarious financial situation. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not here to moan and cry and shed tears. I am here to tell you that I am a human being. I belong to a country where my people are very brave. They have faced problems and crises in the past and faced courageously. We shall come out of this crisis, inshallah, as winners. But I want to share my experience with you. You are policy makers sitting here. You are great politicians. You are great technocrats. What I'm saying is that unless and until we come out with a fair, equitable and judicious formula of distribution of resources, financial resources, this world will never live in peace, will never live in happiness. If North is progressing, we are very happy because we look forward to having their experience and implementing their experience and for progress and providing jobs, providing livelihood, industry, agriculture, promote it. But this must also be remembered that if South is in trouble, how can North be in peace? It's like one body. If one of the limb of the body is in trouble, is painful, you can't say the rest of the body is in peace. So, what I'm saying is, let's, here in Paris, we've gathered here today. I heard her speech this morning. It was a very, very emotional speech, and it touched hearts. And here he has spoken very well, and others, all of you, my brother, President of Uganda, and other speakers will speak. Let me say, without any fear of contradiction, unless we come forward in generous terms to provide an opportunity and a system and a mechanism which will satisfy the most vulnerable at bare minimum and which will create harmony in terms of economic justice and fairness, this world shall always be in trouble. And my concluding remark would be, it's never too late. Let's stand up and say no to injustice. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ पेरिस में गोल मेज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने सैलाब जैसी आफत का दिलेरी से मुकाबला किया। कई महीनों तक इस मुसीबत का हम सामना करते रहे। उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे मुल्क के लोग बहुत ही बहादुर लोग हैं। माजी में भी हमने कई मसाइब का जमा मर्दी से मुकाबला किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि दुनिया को वसाइल की मुनसिफाना तकसीम पर गौर करना चाहिए।